Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to make your slow Android phone faster. Well friends, here we're going to share a few tips how to make your phone faster. Well, first of all, the first thing that you should do is just restart your phone. Just switch on your power button and restart. Most of the problems of getting slow phone or due to some temporary things will get solved if you simply restart your phone. So I'm going back. Well, the second tip is don't keep your app those are not in use, or don't keep unnecessarily apps filling up your phones. You can see a lot of apps are there in my phone, so try to find out which are the apps that you don't generally use, and then you can simply hold on and uninstall. So this is how you can simply go for those apps which you are not using it for a long time and simply uninstall it, so that it doesn't take up space and memory of your phone and make your phone slow. The third tip is don't put your home screen with a lot of apps, shortcuts, or make it a mess over here. Having clocks, having apps, having widgets, having screensavers, many things can really slow your phone if you're having a lot of things, lot of features in your home page or home screen of your phone. The fourth tip would be just go to your storage and see if you have still some free space for your phone to use. You can see there like 60% of my storage is filled and 40% is still there for usage. Like 158 GB of 256 GB is used. So try as much as possible to delete all those unwanted apps or unwanted files. Those are taking up your memory in your phone. If anything is really needed to be there, it should be in your hard disk and not in your phone. So keep as less as possible memory or files in your phone so that your memory gets freed up for other things for your phone. The fifth tip would be to clean your app data. You can go to your settings and apps and notifications, and here you can choose your apps. For example, see all 274 apps for your 99 acres. Just press and hold on this app, or just press this app, and you can see a lot of things would be coming, like storage and cache file. Just press here and try to remove all these cache files of those apps which are taking a lot of space in your phone. You can find it out in this app menu of your phone. You can see 148 MB, 14 MB, 74 MB. So I can see here all the apps. It has been sorted according to ABCD alphabets. You can go on and see which are the apps which are taking a lot of space and go on freeing up the storage and cache file. So this is how you can free up some storage space in your phone so that your phone gets a lot of memory to be faster. The sixth tip is that you keep your phone updated. That is, go to your settings, keep your phone OS updated, go to settings and go to system, and in system go to system updates. Well, I'm using Android 11 OnePlus 7 phone. In your phone also it would be somewhat similar in your similar in your settings. Just find it out where your settings are or where your system updates are in your phone. So here you can click on system updates and you can see it is checking for my system whether it is up to date or not, and it's saying that your system is up to date. So you can find out your settings in your phone, how to make your OS or Android version up to date. Well, and the last seventh tip would be, if nothing works out, then go to your system again and go to reset options and simply do erase all data or factory resets. This will erase everything and your phone would be as good as it is formatted, and you'll get the original speed of your phone. But everything would be deleted. Before doing that, try to take all the backup of all the data or important files of your phone, photos, recordings, etc., and then do the factory reset. So friend, these are the 7 common tips that you can use to make your slow Android phone faster, and just comment in the comment box if it helps, and if you have some other tips as well, please write it in the comment box. I would love to see that and try to make another video on that, maybe a part 2 of this. So friends, I hope you like this video. you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do share this video across various platforms. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.